Hey guys, so there's a lady who commented on one of my videos, the one for I did for virtual autism some times ago, and this is what she said. I'll read. Hi doctor, thank you for the information. Please, what is the time frame for recovery from virtual autism? I have a child that had screen exposure from 0 to 23 months. He's almost 3 now, and it's been almost 1 year since I stopped screen time completely. Well, so as I had said, so when you see virtual autism means this child has been exposed to so much screen at a very young, tender age, and so now what we are seeing are symptoms that look like autism. That's really what virtual autism is, okay? And if you are here and you have not watched that video, please go ahead and watch it. Our YouTube channel is called Autism and Beyond, okay? And please also subscribe. So how much time will it take for someone to recover from virtual autism? To be sincere, there's just no one time. Like, there's no a fixed time that by this time, once you stop screen, your child should be able to come back from the virtual autism, because this is an issue of brain development and rewiring. So it may really, for some kids it's very fast, depending with how much exposure was happening, and for some it may take really a bit of time, sometimes more than actually even a year. Like for this lady, she said it's been a year. However, this is what I can recommend. The first thing is, it's good you have stopped screen time. You really need to significantly, if possible, stop completely screen time. I always say the screen is very important for kids who actually understand what is happening in the screen. If your child is not understanding what is happening in the screen, of which that's really the reality of any child less than 2 years, please significantly reduce the screen time. If your child has delayed speech, giving them screen time is actually doing more harm than good, okay? So also significantly reduce screen time for any child who also has delayed speech. So instead of you now giving them, once you've reduced your screen time, what are you supposed to do? Do lots of outdoor activities, the jumping, the running, the cycling. Do a lot of creative activities, the drawing, the painting, the coloring. Do lots of body building with blocks. Okay, read books together, especially because now you want your child to start talking. One of the best ways of doing this is by doing lots of picture reading. Okay, always remember to have your child with you anytime you're doing anything, and remember to always explain. Okay, also do lots of sensory play so that they are also able to really calm down. And sensory play is things like playing with sand, playing with water. There's some tactile toys. You can have clay in the house. The whole idea is let them use there's a lot of touching and a lot of jumping and a lot of using the fine motor skills when it comes to sensory play. Okay, then the second thing is increase face-to-face interaction. Remember, communication is just not verbal, it's also non-verbal. Okay, so when you are talking to your child, just always remember to also add some facial expressions on top of what you're doing or trying to explain. If you're doing stories, put a lot of non-verbal communication, so that even if it's difficult for them to comprehend words, then they'll be able to read your face, to see how your lips are moving, and they'll be able to also, that is learning, that is growing, and that is how language develops. Okay, then the third thing is always encourage social play. I also did a video on play. Please, there's nothing better than a child's play. You see how important your career is as an adult. That's how important play is for a child. Okay, play has many benefits, many. And if you're not sure, go ahead and watch that video. I think you guys should just go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Play has a lot. There's a lot of soft skills that we learn. There's a lot of fine motor skills that we learn. There's a lot of creativity that happens there. There's a lot of social skills that are learned through play. So allow your child to play with their peers. Okay, the fourth thing is, of course, promote physical activities. Okay, so yes, you have reduced screen. That doesn't mean now you only have to stay indoors. Go out and play. Please go out and play, go out and run, go out and explore, do nature walks. Just go out, allow your child to enjoy the environment, to enjoy nature as much as possible. And the fifth thing, which is for me is the most important thing, is be patient and be consistent. Okay, patience is everything. Remember, you have been exposing this child on screen for years. Okay, so and doing that will take time. but consistency is what you need. Okay, so make sure you have some sort of routine in your child's life, and I did a video on benefits of routine. Please, you have to have some sorts of routine. Always identify what goals do you want with your child and how are you going to achieve that. Okay, and if you need more help on this, please be sure to reach out to me. Okay, till then, bye, and I really hope this helps someone. Take care.